Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. If you like this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. The goal for this guided meditation is to focus the mind and find inner calm. It is a way to align your thoughts and energies towards specific qualities. You can either sit or lie down, whatever is comfortable, and make sure that you won't be disturbed. Let's start by closing our eyes and taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe out all the negative things and energies that you no longer need. And breathe in a beautiful golden light filling your whole body with a positive energy. You can feel the vibration of this golden light rising and growing in your body. Imagine yourself on a beautiful beach with golden sand. The ocean is calm and the water looks smooth. The air is cool, comfortable, and pleasant. Somewhere on the beach is a very big and unique rock. Go to this rock and make yourself comfortable on it. The rock gently takes you up and out into the infinite universe. it is so beautiful, and you are surrounded with colors that you have never seen before. You feel truly blessed that you can experience this. You feel safe and calm. Not far from you, you can see something starting to form. It looks like a word, and you start to get the feeling that this is a very holy word. The word is love. You can repeat the word out loud or in a whisper, however you want. Love. 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 What meaning does the word love have for you? Love. 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 Does the word love have a message for you? Love. 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 How does the word make you feel? Love. 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 You can feel the vibration of this word as it grows stronger and stronger. Slowly, piece by piece, the word starts to flow into your heart. Take a moment to truly feel the love that is in your heart. Visualize moments of love and kindness you have experienced, whether giving or receiving, and allow these memories to amplify the feeling of love within you. Love, love, love. Let go of any judgment or fears and simply be present in this moment of unconditional love. Take a moment to offer gratitude for the love in your life, both given and received. When you are ready, you can slowly come back into the room. Start to feel your feet and legs. Wiggle your toes. Feel your hands and arms. Wiggle your fingers. Feel your head and face. And in your own time, gently open your eyes, carrying the warmth and compassion of love with you throughout the day.